This is a brand new 2014 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include heated seats, a multi-link rear suspension, an intercooled turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, roof rails, leather seats, 12-volt power outlets, front side impact airbags, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, and 10 perfectly positioned speakers, producing great sound quality throughout the cabin. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Andy Mohr Ford Lincoln is the place to find new Ford and Lincoln cars and trucks and pre-owned vehicles in Indianapolis. You can search our new and pre-owned inventory online, get new car pricing, and receive free no-obligation price quotes. Stop by and visit us today at 2713 East Main Street in Plainfield, or see us online at andymohrford.com.